When it comes to the Volta region, there's one particular constituency that I always I talk about them. It's Ketu South. That is Jifangomashi's constituency. Jifangomashi constituency. She's the current Minister of Tourism. She's a total failure. Yes. Let's be real to ourselves. Jifangomashi and all other MPs in the Volta region are total failure. But Jifangomashi will be worse. You understand? The reason being that Jifangomashi's own is worse is that she's a minister. She's a minister. Let's say maybe some of these MPs in the Volta region are not ministers. So maybe they don't get much fund. When you come to her constituency, there's this school for almost 4 months. The roofing has taken the roofing off the classroom for 4 good months. Bro, as I'm talking to you today, the building is still like that, and she's still the MP of Ketu South. She's a total failure. Bro, Jifangomashi is a total failure. And I learned she's saying that John Dramani Mahama, she's comparing John Dramani Mahama to Nkrumah. Please, these people are just there because of their stomach. Jifangomashi, she's there because of their stomach and her stomach. If today Jifangomashi, Honorable Jifangomashi, let me put it like that, Honorable, please, Honorable Jifangomashi, if today you are telling us that President John Dramani Mahama is equal to what's the name? Nkrumah, please give us one fatria. President John Dramani Mahama in his 8 years, because this is his 6 years in power, right? One factory that he has brought to the people of the Volta region that votes massively for you and John Dramani Mahama, that you can stand and tell us that President John Dramani Mahama is equal to Nkrumah. And when it comes to NDC, when you people are making noise about Nkrumah, I'm like at the full shock, because when it comes to the NDC, you people have buried the legacies of Nkrumah. The NDC have buried, not just lost, they have buried the legacies of Nkrumah. But today they are claiming like they care so much about Nkrumah. These people are anti-Nkrumah. These NDC people, they are anti-Nkrumah. They have sold every single factory that belongs to Nkrumah. These NDC people, they have sold. I'm saying it, that the NDC as a party have sold everything that belongs to Nkrumah. The record is there. You folks should go and check. You see, sometimes, a lot of you don't read, and then you come to my comment section and attack. There's this young girl that is on the social media, the NDC girl that is making move, and MPP don't like Nkrumah. And please, you people should give me the picture of even Nkrumah Memorial Park when John Dramani Mahama was in power, his first term, compared to what Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo has done in Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park. That today, if people come from abroad, President John Dramani Mahama holds them there. What Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo has done. But when the Mahama was in power, that place was a refuse dump for people. The evidence is there. It was refuse dump. People were shitting over there. But you people today, you claim and we love Nkrumah. Jifangomashi is a total failure. These are the pictures. Yesterday it was raining. The students were going to classroom like that without roofing. The students were going to the classes without roofing. Yesterday, Revival FM went there and it was raining. So the students have to run from their class to the class that an individual have devoted to do for the people. But what Jifangomashi is doing is making noise in the internet. That is what she knows about. She's doing nothing. And you see, I've seen a lot of Aflao boys. I've seen a lot of people from Ketu South. They are complaining, the youths, a lot of them, when you go to Facebook, they have been writing it there that the MP is not helping them. You see, you people have created that problem. You knew this guy, this woman was there. She came the first thing, she didn't do anything. But when she came there to campaign for you people again, you voted for her. And to change Benamupe, which change are you people looking for? You knew she can't do the work. She has done nothing in her first term. And by when she comes again, you people voted for her. So today you are complaining that she's not doing anything. What do? We have to change our mentality in the Volta region, how we vote. Simple as ABCD. Without that, we will continue to suffer. Honorable James Ganu, Volta regional minister, please, you have to stand on your feet and work. I'm giving you people, especially you, James Ganu, Honorable James Ganu, I've given you just at the end, till the end of this year. And there's this one MC in Anglonga, the woman MC. Please, I've given you the grace period for 1 year. At the end of this year, if we don't see change in Angloland, me and you, we go wear one box out. Madam, I swear, what the men have not done for so many years, you have to do it now. But if we didn't do it, you and I will wear the same boxer. Simple as ABCD. Dimension of Libya.
Yato Abayi Mahama as president. 9 solid months near. 9 months himuno. Busia kwa Mahama bought in excess of $10 billion US. $10 billion US. What the current exchange rate? So the Alpha Bank at the end of crying 12 to a dollar, 12.5 to a dollar. O convert here, in 9 months, Wabobisiam in excess of 125 billion Ghana cedis. 125 billion Ghana cedis. And then Mahama dia blog back okra one for being see phone. In Kukobo okra Mahama 9 months on Mubobi. And so Wabobisiam 125 billion Ghana cedis. 125 billion Ghana cedis. Menemo Kasei 2021 badge health professionals Egusu Tifi. Nke Kufuadu postum January 2026 2025. Ki MPP winia ya plans in NDC be postum January 2025. Omu Gusu Tifi. 2020 badge referral for your form Jumamu Ekufuadu form Jumamu at the latter part of 2024. Oma ya Juma 10 months, 11 months, Mahama Ntiomoka. Meanwhile, Wabobe say 125 billion Ghana cedis in 9 months. Sikana, Edena Odeye. Odeye, and Crawford someone when you feel ye Juma Magana won't Tiomoka. But what the Abosume Swan, what you are kept up pepe, who ministers, so much market you up pepe, and these appointees, and the MPs, Sanquasia, Mugu, Parliament, I won't mean Kanya, Assembia, or much market you up pepe, Emma Lordina Mahama. Lordina Mahama, a cross to Etiaketia. On the sofa, so on the same. Or a liability to Ghana, and then a Ghana and your free Lordina Mahama. So, Yakasa won't call International Forum Munko Kasa. As simple as that. No kwako gu Ghana anymore. Say, brofo bonne, brofo basa basa. Pocket can brofo 2x4, gu Ghana anymore. Say, and so Bosome Swan, Yetiane ka. Or did free, or that free, or Jari free, or so can you free, or you be free. Near Sam and the bodyguard account, no good Ghana anymore. So, not the liability to Ghana, Lordina Mahama. Samira Baumia or no opposition cram, Etsy Ghana anymore. Few days ago, Samira called Guinea Conakry. Kwashe senya what's Ghana nim. Kwashe senya what's Ghana nim with the composure and the dimina na no ne kasa anyhow related to Nkrofo. Mo first lady, mo ma meche ne so faso e wo Ghana ha. Busumi bia so ayetua ne ka. A ye bo ne ho ka. Plane ticket akese a ye twitwa ma no. A chese nonsense and some hu sam 125 billion Ghana cedis. Ya shene. Sikana she. Sikana she. Omu timi pinpointe even a bridge tia say dunke tia omu di sikana ye. They can't. And Ghanaians are quiet. Galamse nso muntimi and fight it. Ana sika e free galamse mu e ba no ene Mahama e de enrich ne ho ne nua Ibrahim Mahama. Ana private individuals, private companies are almost some mining asset. Omo by force e free omo nsem. Such a useless government full of wicked people. Na me be tua mu nyina aka.
Any a friend say or party no. It's a mudia money to the mupobia. Emma or mine on the party no. So then be a quite ya just say another was say a friend say a simple baby. Was say I one wanting a mumble muname men no I say ye fully armed. Campaign now consult the two account who edina. I don't know why you bonessa. A day.
What the more
the party no but party me someone pama kwa we ya party mu no.
Omo mu dina chira mu wiye obetimi akun obi de na hye ye.
I know obi kan send you won to me.
Omo plans nyina no makaka mo say.
Kan send bi say.
Omo abese da
ata omo ko emergency yin ni say omo pese omo ye omo hwe omo ni suban ye to aba ni wi omo yi omo nyina fi. Ele won to me o kan.
Me say
ti no omo ko early congress no aba ye bi efi wo ko.
Me say the woman ni say. Ye, the woman ni say. The friend say MPP for aladi ati for wonam na so mo nkrofo ni bi ka we fi on because o ma se da ya bibi say on be so mo ya na tese obi edi ni saka obi no akasa o mo attack ni nkrofo e wa bro bi attack o
ai na so
yampa what's yampa
so dey abasa aladi ba
o de ko party office no ma yi o mu de na fi o mo de ko am so ya se ba o mi nkrofo ni di akem sa na se o mo ye.
Now they say you for very follow
that video now I'm patch up for that video now make us so 4 billion no. Me so what was that video ni dia share ma me why.
O se program o ye ne no kan.
O se
enti e fa ne say enti mo party le ba mo cho alaje ti di for no de bia ye ne mo ka
say that video ni dia share ma.
Mo krofo ni bi ka mo na ye ma obi amfi o.
Me say se na o YouTube
because ono ano mo plan no say de kumase no omo ko thank you to no share that ma ono an krofo omo ko wo se kan ma omo de ko mo di ti alaje ba omi a
because Kennedy
plans nyina no
no fe wa accept that fact
me say ma enye ayi no nko a wo se basis a wo de ma ye no basa wo de ama party ni pick up
on ka contract party ni so de ama no ono party ni mo
contract 300 pickups
doctor me kind was 300 pickups ni basa wo de ama party
was so consequences ya so mo 200,000 last
me bo Kennedy Japan wo mpeu so hu asese mu ko baabi oni Dr. Baomi akọ baabi mu omo ntwiti mu nyina peda pasa asem ni hye wutim
Obetina bench
Dr. Baomi former vice president it's no delegate conference na ye call ye no ye wo former MPs bebre wo ho na no omo ye pe former MPs na no omo was a conference na ni nyina wo no omo ye pe enti ye njan kasi
so mna na se wo si wono de ye ni nyina no hu so ye patriotic member or ye patriotic ba enti no anya na dwe se wo ye de wo twe ni ho department na de ye no wo ka wo ye di enne na ne di bia okuta de no wo enne de de nyame apagya na ko nipa what wa menye saa ne ye.
Good morning by this time. Good evening ana baby I want your morning. Okay, Pastor amount for baby about Muhammad, Muhammad, hello Muhammad. Hada. Muhammad.
Me ba the tiani say o si akoti aba election no mo o
aha o pa wanya sa video no.
Me nyanya ba mahwehwe. O si na o
so mi wie pe
ba no aba bibisa no. Ano obi ayi ya na adwene se wo obi anhia wo o de background na ye de wa de bese
me aha sa video no me hwehwe me share ma amanfo bet me kai
ba video ba
afresh ma se hu se boy girl bi na kwasi aba na no na ese se o ye DMB na o mo de okọ NDC no ma hu se ototo kwasi asem bi ba park ne so ma hu se o kan kwasi asem
ya na be bunu
park ne so o de o so time be so o ye so si usua
so no ya shawo
aha nti the open na wenya na ahinu no fi se Dr. Baomi campaign fo ni bi no
office Dr. Baomi aye don mama
aha o so press na unye aid ade ne plotte Dr. Baomi am fa ka bia ya na kom dia ye campaign and am fa
ya bi ko ombe na ye video na beto abonte
am kom video
Obi be me kura o be
Obi wasi ono sa video na fa share ma me right.
Obi be me kuta obi o ya was
obi onu obunu say obi onu obunu say ne yire ho akona kono fe na wo ma fa wo no ni jene we mara eme titale no na mana jene agi no asiaba wonum garlic
Garlic